everybody, Josh for Populi here, and sometimes you need to edit lesson progress, and here's a short video to show you how. This video will be useful to faculty and teaching assistants primarily, but academic admins and registrars have the ability to edit lesson completion as well, and it's conceivable that they may want to. Populi manages lesson progress automatically. As faculty design a lesson, they typically add required elements. You may require that someone complete an assignment in order to complete a lesson. You may upload a video and require students to view or download that video. So lesson progress amounts to students completing the lesson elements that you've required. When students meet the requirements, like when they upload a file on a file type assignment, Populi records that the student is making progress through the lesson. Often, progress through a lesson is gated, so you can't move on to lesson 2 unless you've completed lesson 1. Instructors can even gate progress within a single lesson using pages. So students can't move on to page 2 of that lesson unless they've completed the requirements on page 1. So faculty on a course may run into a situation where a student is not able to complete the requirements on a lesson for whatever reason. And then that student is stuck in the lesson and can't progress. So that's why faculty may need to make a judgment call and edit that student's progress on the lesson. If the instructor decides that the student should be allowed to bypass the requirement, they can do that on a course by going to the Lessons tab to Student Progress. They'll click on that student's name, which will land them on the student summary. On the left here, we've got the name of each lesson, and then we've got the % completed column. If the student has made progress in a lesson, you'll see a percentage there. If they haven't, you'll see dashes for a null value. Either of those, the numbers or dashes, are clickable. Click and you'll be in a dialog that shows detail on the lesson and what's required. Anything the student has completed will be checked, and anything they haven't will be, unchecked. Under that, you'll typically see the option to edit completion. If you click on that, you'll be able to manually check anything off that you've decided to bypass. If you have grayed out boxes on a page in the lesson, that means that there's nothing required there, so there's nothing to mark complete. Save, and you're all done. If you click into a lesson and don't have the edit completion option, that just means that there's nothing required at all on that lesson and nothing to check off. Once you've adjusted things, the student in question will be able to make progress through the lesson. And the good news, I'm afraid, is that we're all done here. I've been Josh for Populi, and you've been great. Thanks for watching.